Okay, so just in my last minute, some languages allow first-class procedures. You can actually, return a procedure as your answer, not only a numeric value, but can return a procedure. If those procedures contain free variables, for instance, here's a procedure here I'm returning. So if I call f, I get back a little anonymous procedure that adds the argument to f plus the argument to the anonymous procedure together. The trouble is that if you're relying on some information in activation records that's going to go away, that's a problem. And we'd have to do something much more sophisticated than what we're doing now to build the appropriate closures. And that's sort of a topic beyond our course. A lot of what languages do to avoid this problem of remembering information in activation records that might go away is they disallow the notion of procedures as first-class citizens. So for example, C, you can't have first-class citizens. You can't build procedures with free variables in them and expect everything to work like you find it to work in Python, or in Java for that matter. What I want to do is just point out that there's a variety of different conventions we can use. Sometimes the languages are pretty loosey-goosey. They just let whatever happen, happen, and if you do something stupid, like try to look at a location in an activation record that's no longer there, well, that's your problem. Other languages like Python and Java think that's a bad idea, so they disallow language constructs that would let you do that. So this whole notion of, is a language, safe or not, that's often a discussion about the conventions it uses and what it will allow you to do relative to the activation records.